welcome back. Today I have a 1-sheet pan fajita recipe for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to get started with chopping up some bell peppers. In this recipe you can use whatever color bell peppers you have on hand. I use 1 yellow, 1 orange, and 1 red. So the method that I like to use is slicing the bell pepper vertically just to remove as much of the membrane as possible. It makes them easier in order to slice evenly so that they cook evenly so that we get a crisp, tender vegetable. Once all of the bell peppers are sliced evenly, I also slice 1 red onion and I add them all to 1 sheet pan. Next, it's time to get started with the seasonings. I use 1 teaspoon of each. 1 teaspoon of ground cilantro, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I also suggest using salt and pepper to taste. Once all seasonings are mixed in a separate bowl evenly, what I tend to do is sprinkle them on top of the bell peppers just to make sure they're evenly coated and every bite will taste exactly the same. With clean hands, you want to mix this well, place evenly back onto the sheet pan, and add it to the oven, which has been preheated at 350 degrees for in between 15 and 20 minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get started on our seasoned pinto beans. I'm going to start with 1 can of pinto beans in a saucepan seasoned with salt and pepper. Again, that's to your taste. Next, we're going to add some seasonings which will create a similar flavor profile to our fajitas. So I add 1 teaspoon of each ground cumin and ground chili powder. In order to get that cooked all day flavor, I'm going to add some additional seasonings here. In 2 cups of water, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. It doesn't have to be this particular brand, this is just what I had on hand. You want to dissolve the bouillon in the water separately to assure that when it's added to the beans are flavored evenly. Once all the ingredients are added, you just want to place this on medium-high heat for approximately 10 minutes until the liquid thickens. Okay, our fajitas are done. Let me pull those out of the oven so you can take a look. They are crisp, tender, charred slightly, so that gives it additional flavor, and delicious and ready to eat. Okay, so I wanted to add a couple of extra tidbits here to this recipe. So I prefer corn tortillas, but my fiance prefers flour, but they're prepared just the same way. Into a square of aluminum foil, you add your tortillas, fold them like you would be wrapping a package, and place them in the same oven that you had preheated for 350 degrees. After about 10 minutes, they are pliable, soft, and ready to go, and delicious with these fajitas. Okay, so I practice vegetarianism, and I have found that these Morningstar meal starter chicken strips are delicious in this recipe. They have low calories and tons of protein. Here are the macros in case you wanted to know for a full serving, and they're ready in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so here's our finished product. I'm serving it here with 1 corn tortilla, 1 flour tortilla, the Morningstar chicken strips, the fajita vegetables, salsa, guacamole, and jalapeños. The rice served here is the Uncle Ben's ready rice and our seasoned pinto beans. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Please remember to like and subscribe and comment with any recipes you would like to see. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. Bye.